Hi there, welcome to Get Fit with Gosia. In this video, you will learn how to throw a basic punch called a hook. This video is made for those who enjoy martial art inspired workouts such as body combat or Get Fit with Gosia videos. So, let's get started. All right, let's review our fighter stance here. With your left leg in front, right leg in the back, front foot pointing towards 1 o'clock, back foot 5 o'clock. Hands are up, elbows are in, hands in front of the face. Make a fist, thumb on top, keep it closed. So hook is a punch that is thrown to the side of the face. So if someone's standing in front of me, I'm gonna aim it at side of their face. You want to bring your elbow up slightly higher than your shoulder, and then you want to come back. When you're doing your hook, you want to lift your heel up, just as if you were doing for jab, but now a little bit higher even. And you want to turn your hip inwards, and you want to turn your knee inwards. So it's a kind of a punch where your power is generated from that lower body. So let's try this together. In. When you're doing your hook, you don't want that hook to go past your face because your opponent is in front of you. So you want your hand to stop right at their face. So it's not a very big punch. All right, let's try this again. Let's do 5 on the left side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to do the same thing from your right arm. So hands are up. So now you have to turn that shoulder even more in because it's further back. All right, fighter stance. Ready? Let's go. Don't worry about the power. Don't worry about the speed. Okay, so what I want you to focus on is lifting that elbow up to the shoulder level or a little bit higher. Turning your foot in. Turning your knee inwards. Let's do 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember, left hand is always in front of your face. Now we're gonna do left and right alternating. Slowly first, left, right, left, right. Lift the heel, lift the heel. Engage the core, engage the core. Now adding a little bit more power to it. The sound effects really help. That's it. All right, now, when we do cardio kickboxing, when we do body combat, Get Fit with Gosia videos, we do left leading, and then we do right leading. So, changing the stance. Fire stance, hands are up. Let's go. Right, right. That's it. Lift. Practice those moves in front of the mirror. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's do your right side or left side, sorry. It's my right though. Your left. Up. Turn it in. Turn it in. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we alternate right, left. Okay, we adjust here. Stay soft. Hands up, ready, let's go. Right, left, right, left. Practice with me. Look at the target. Imaginary target in front. Adding some power to it. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1 more. All right, awesome work. That is a hook for today. Make sure you check out Jab It Across from the previous video. Here's a link below. Okay, talk to you soon. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Get Fit with Gosia and like her videos.